Let's talk about finding highest common factor. Now, for instance, you may have 32, and let's talk about 48. Now, I think when we wrote all the factors, we had 1, and then I think we had a 32 here, and then a 2, and a 16 there, and then a 4, and then what? We had an 8. You see that? And then now for 48, if we try 1 into 48, we got 48 times. You try 2 into 48, you will get 24 times. You try 3 into 48, you will get 16. These are factors. If you try 4 into 48, you will get 12. And then if you try 6 into 48, you will get 8. Now, when they say the highest common factor, you can see that 1 and 1 is present throughout, 2 and 2 is present throughout. But then we look at the highest common factors. So it will make 1, 2, 4, 8 as common factors. But the highest possible common factor will become what? 16. In other words, we're looking at the highest possible number. Hence, the HCF would be 16.